Welcome to Kudayo coaching classes. Now we are solve question number 6 to 10 in the practice set. Problem set 6 trigonometry. In this the question number 6 is a boy is standing at 48 meter from the building and observes the top of the building. So the rough figure is like that. This is the building and here is the observer. And this is the building. A boy is standing 48 meter from the building. So this distance is 48 meter and observe the top of the building. So from here he looks upward. Top means upward and makes the angle of 30 degree. Then find the height of the building. So name it ABC, right angle at the B and theta at the C. So this is a rough figure. Our main figure is like this: ABC, right angle at the B, theta at the C. Theta is 30 degree, BC is 48. What we have to find? The length of AB, that is height of the building. So write first information. Let AB be the height of building. BC is the distance between building and observer. So BC is equal to 48. Next, we know the adjacent side and we have to find opposite side. So opposite side upon adjacent side. The ratio of opposite side and adjacent side is tan theta. So tan theta is 30 degree. Opposite side is AB. Adjacent side is BC. Value for tan theta is 1 upon root 3. Okay. AB is as it is, BC 48. Cross multiply 48 1 ja 48. AB multiply by root 3. So now AB is as it is, 48 is as it is. This root 3 goes to denominator. AB is equal to 48 upon root 3. When there is a root on the denominator, we rationalize that number by multiplying and dividing by denominator. Here denominator is root 3. So we multiply root 3 and divide by root 3. So answer becomes 48 root 3 whole divided by 3 3s are 9 and root of 9 is 3. So divide by 48 divided by 3, it becomes 16 root 3. This is the height of the building. Now we know the value for root 3, that is 1.73. By multiplying, we get the answer 27.68 meter. AB is equal to 27.68. Now write the sentence. The height of building is 27.68 meter. Here our first example is over. Now from the top of the lighthouse, an observer looks at the ship and finds the angle of depression is 30 degree. So this is our lighthouse, and from here observer looks at the ship and made angle of depression 30 degree. So the angle is always with the horizontal, so this angle is 30 degree. If the height of lighthouse is 100 meter, so I draw a straight line and write here 100 meter height of the lighthouse. Then find how much far the ship from lighthouse. What we have to find? How much far the ship from lighthouse. This is the distance between lighthouse and the ship. So angle, so alternate angle of this 30 degree is this. This is our sketch. So I draw a simple figure ABC, theta at C, right angle at B, A. Height of lighthouse is 100 meter and theta is 30 degree. Now write all the information, that is AB is the height of lighthouse, that is 100 meter. C is the position of ship, and BC is the distance between ship and the lighthouse. Now I know the opposite side and I have to find adjacent side. So I write here opposite side upon adjacent side. The ratio become tan theta. So I put tan theta, value for theta is 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side AB, adjacent side BC. AB upon BC. Value for sin 30 is 1 upon root 3 and AB is 100 whole divided by BC. Now cross multiply this. BC 1 ja BC, 100 multiply by root 3. BC is equal to 100 multiply by 1.73. Value for root 3 is 1.73. Now BC is equal to, by multiplying 100, I do not consider the points. So 173 as it is, 1s are 173, 2 zeros are 20 as it is. Now I put 2 points from the right hand side. So 1, 2. BC is 173.00, means BC is equal to 173 meter. Then write sentence, the distance between the lighthouse and the ship is 173 meter. Have you got this? Then we turn towards 8th example. Width 15 meter. Okay, this is the road of 15 meter and these are the two buildings. From the top of first building having height 12 meter. Here we don't know which building is 12 meter high, this or this. So we read the next sentence. The angle of elevation, see here, from the building of having 12 meter, the angle of elevation म्हणजे 12 मीटरच्या बिल्डिंगवरनं अँगल ऑफ इलिव्हेशन होत आहे, म्हणजे तो 12 मीटरच्या बिल्डिंगवरनं वर बघणार, म्हणजे ही 12 मीटरची बिल्डिंग छोटी असणार, तेव्हाच हा दुसऱ्या बिल्डिंगला वर बघू शकतो, राईट. सो दिस इज 12 मीटर. I draw horizontal line from this to form a theta. The angle of elevation of the top of the second building is 30 degree. What is the height of second building? And we have to find out the length height of second building. So name the figure A, B, C and D. This point is E. So first write all the information. Let AB and CD are two buildings. BD is the width of road. BD is the width of road. Then write all the measures, that is AB equal to ED. ED is also 12 meter, as it become rectangle. This is a rectangle and opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So AB is equal to ED is equal to 12 meter. Now BD is 15. So AE is also 15. BD is equal to AE is equal to 15 meter. What we have to find? CD. In that we know the height of ED, that is 12 meter. The only point remaining is to find the length of C. So I draw here regular or triangle. Name it A, E and C. This is the C. Now right angle at the E. Theta is at A. I know the value for AE. AE is equal to BD, that is 15 meter. I want to only find out the length of CE. So opposite side upon adjacent side is tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. What we write? Tan theta 30 degree, opposite side C we don't know, adjacent side AE. Value for tan 30. Value for tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Then C is as it is, AE is 15. Now cross multiply. 15 ones are 15. CE multiply by root 3. CE is as it is 15. Root 3 goes to denominator. So I here write CE is equal to 15 upon root 3. Now when there is a root on the denominator, then rationalize it. Here is root 3. So I multiply by root 3 divided by root 3. C is equal to 15 root 3. Root 3 root 3. 3 3s are 9. Square root of 9 is 3. CE is equal to 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So answer is 5 root 3. I also know the value for root 3, that is 1.73. So 5 multiplied by value for root 3 is 1.73. By multiplying, we get the answer 8.65. Now I know the value for CE and ED also. So height of second building is equal to CD is equal to CE plus ED. Value for C is 8.65 and ED is 12. 12 plus 8, 20.65 is as it is. Write down then the sentence. The height of second building is 20.65 meter. Have you got this answer? Now we turn towards ninth one. काय एक फायर ब्रिगेड व्हॅन आहे आणि त्याची लॅडर आहे, त्याचा जास्तीत जास्त मॅक्झिमम अँगल इज 70 degree. So the rough sketch is, this is the ground level. Now consider this is a fire brigade van. Okay, this is straight height. Elevation at an angle of 70 degree to maximum. The length of ladder can be maximum up to 20 meter. Length of ladder, आता हा झाला लॅडरचा स्टार्ट पॉइंट आणि ही लॅडर मॅक्झिमम किती आहे? 20 मीटर. दिस इज द लॅडर. दिस इज फायर ब्रिगेड व्हॅन and this portion is the ground. 20 meter maximum length of ladder. If the platform is 2 meter high ground, हा प्लॅटफॉर्म आहे तो ग्राउंड पासून किती मीटर वर आहे? 2 मीटर वर. Find maximum height from the ground up to which ladder can reach. Find the maximum height from the ground. ग्राउंड पासून एवढं टोटल आपल्याला डिस्टन्स फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. अप टू विच लॅडर कॅन रिच. सो दिस इज आवर स्केच. वी ड्रॉ फिगर देन. नाउ फर्स्ट ड्रॉ रेक्टेंगल फॉर दिस fire brigade van and this platform is 2 meter high from the ground. So here is 2 meter, opposite side is also 2 meter. Now the ladder is 20 meter and at an angle of 70 degree. Angle of elevation is 70 degree. Name the figure. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Then write the information. Let CD is equal to BE is equal to 2 meter is equal to what? Height of platform from ground, right? This is the height of the platform. This is the platform. and this is the height from ground, that is 2 meter. AD is equal to 20 meter. AD is equal to 20 meter, that is length of ladder. What we have to find? AB. What we have to find? AB, that is maximum height reached by ladder from the ground. We know B. What we have to know only? Find AE. So draw upper part, that is triangle DEA. Hypotenuse is 20, right angle at the E, theta at D. How we can solve? We know the hypotenuse and we have to find opposite side. So opposite side upon hypotenuse, the ratio is sine theta. Put out values. Sine theta means 70 degree. Opposite side AE, we don't know, we write as it is AE. Hypotenuse is AD, that is 20. Sine 70, the value for sine 70 is given, that is 0.94. AE as it is 20. Then AE is equal to this 20 multiplies here, 20 multiplied by 0.94. Answer is 18.80 meter. 18.80 meter. But this is only the height of AE. We have to find height of ladder from the ground. What we have to find? Height of ladder from the ground, and AB is the height of ladder from the ground. So AB is equal to AE plus EB is equal to 18.8 plus 2. 18 plus 2, 20.8. Here is our final answer. Then write the sentence. The maximum height from the ground up to which ladder can reach is 20.8 meter. Okay, it's 20 degree. Average speed of plane is 200 km per hour. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. Find height at which the plane was when it started landing. The first sentence is while landing at an airport. So this is the airport landing road. Okay, and this is the height of the plane from the ground. Here is our plane. Okay, pilot makes an angle of depression. The angle is always with the horizontal, so angle of depression is 20 degree. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. We know the speed and time. Find the height. We have to find this height. Okay, I name it here A, B, C, and this point is at D. It is not in use. So alternate angle of DAC is ACB. So here is also 20 degree. Now we have to draw a regular figure like this. right angle at B, theta at C, that is 20 degree, and A is the position of plane. So write information. A is the position of aeroplane and AB is the height of plane above the ground. AB is the height of the plane. So we have to find AB, but we don't know any side in this. So the extra information is that speed and time. So we have to use another formula, that is distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Here speed is 200 km per hour and time is 54 seconds. First convert seconds to hour because speed is in the kilometer per hour. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 as it is. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 6 6 are 36, 00 second. So 1 hour become 3600 second, right? So we divide second. So 1 second is equal to, second as it is, 1 upon 3600 r. 1 second is equal to 1 upon 3600 r. So 54 second is equal to 54 upon 3600 r. Have you got this? This is the main theme. Then right here, a distance is distance. Plane is at here, landing point is C. This distance we have to find AC. So distance AC is equal to, speed is 200 multiplied by time. Time must be in hours, so 54 upon 3600. 0 0 cut. 18 2s are 36. 18 3s are 54. 2 2 cut. So the answer is 3. And it is in kilometers. So what is here? Listen. Speed is in the kilometer per hour multiplied by time is in the hour. So R get cancel. AC is equal to 3 kilometer. Now I know the value for AC, and what we have to find? AB. So we know the hypotenuse and we have to find opposite side. We write here opposite side upon hypotenuse. The ratio become sin theta. Sin theta is 20 degree. Opposite side we have to find, that is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Sin 20 is equal to 0.342. 0.342. AB as it is. AC 3. So now cross multiply. AB 1s are AB and 3 multiply by 0.342. AB is equal to, by multiplying we get the answer 1.026, and it is in the kilometer. We find AB, that is the height of the plane from the ground. So the height, right sentence, the height of plane is 1.026 kilometer from ground. Have you got this answer? Okay, here our sixth problem set is over. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
So please like, share and subscribe our channel to get notified for latest videos, and if there is any doubt, so let comment it in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.